Hello and welcome. So in this video I'll be making my own DIY passion twist using this Ombre purple hair. This is how the hair looks outside the pack. It's Ombre purple. Before I start, I'll make sure that the hair is brushed out nicely and it's smooth for the next step. Okay. I also have the straws ready to do my DIY passion twist. The straw I'm using in this video is a hard straw. It's really hard. I was able to get the hard straw. So it looks like this, and it's 0.236 inches in diameter and 9 inches in height. And that's how each individual straw looks like. It has a soft end, but the rest of the body is really hard. So I have divided the hair into sections like this. Next, I'm going to do a quick demonstration of how I will achieve each passion twist. So I basically locate the midpoint for each section. I locate the midpoint and then I use that. I apply it to the top of the straw like this and then flip the top of the straw. Next, I'm going to secure what I have done at the top here. I'm going to secure the top with a bobby pin. So it will look like this initially, and then I'm going to start by making the hair go around like this. So I'll hold the top with my left hand and then use my right hand to wind the hair around the straw, and I'll just keep going down gradually like this, leaving little space between each turn. So I keep going around the straw until I get to the ends. So when I get to the end of the hair, I'll flip the straw over like so and use it to hold the free ends. And then I'm going to grab another bobby pin and use it to secure the ends like so. Okay, so this is how I'm going to make each individual DIY passion twist. I'm just going to repeat this process several times to make each one. So next I'm going to do a hot water treatment of the hair. First I'm going to be applying some conditioner. The conditioner helps to prevent the ends from being frizzy. And then I'm going to add hot water. So I separated the hair into different batches. I don't want to have too much in the container at a time, so that just to ensure that the hair is completely submerged in hot water. So I'm going to leave it in hot water for about 1 minute and then I'll remove them from the hot water. After removing them from the hot water, I just basically lay them on the towel to air dry for some hours before proceeding to the next step. So now that the hair is completely dry, I'm going to snap off the extra ends. Next, I'm going to reveal the coils by removing, first I'll remove the bobby pins and then gradually unwind the hair. Unwind the hair from the straw like this. Okay, so this is how a typical one will look like. People looking for business ideas, if you want to make passion twists for sale, this might give you some ideas on how to package them for sale. And this video was inspired by Loveth Speaks. I'm also planning to do a giveaway of this lovely passion twists. So I'll give details about the exact steps to follow to partake in the giveaway for this passion twist in my installation video, and that video is on the right side of your screen right now.